Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the RawBeautyKristi and Colourpop collection. Colourpop collection. So if you want to see all the products and the look I come up with, then just keep watching. Hopefully there's not an annoying hum throughout this video. My dryer is going and it's right next door. It is 7:16 in the morning. I'm getting ready for work, but I forgot to film this weekend, so I wanted to show you what I got. So that is why I am still in pajamas. It's okay. We're going with the flow. All right, let me run through these products and prices real fast in case you don't know them. So I bought the collection as a whole, which does make it cheaper. But I'm gonna try to get prices for everything individually. It looks like everything is sold out right now, but that doesn't mean it's not coming back. So collection as a whole is $82. The palette by itself is $20. There are 2 Luxe glosses, $9 each. There are 4 Super Shock shadows. If you get the set of them, it's $28. Individually, it's $7. And then there are 3 eyeliners that are $7 a piece. Do they have a set? They do. They have a set of $21. It looks like, wow, they got lots of bundles. You could also get the set of eyeliners and the palette for $41. Wow, they had a lot of deals going. Okay, I literally went to the website, saw the collection as a whole right away, just hit add to cart and went because I didn't want to miss it. So let's go ahead and get into this. Do you guys care to see swatches? I feel like there's so many videos out, there's probably already a million swatches. So do you care to actually see those? I think because I'm short on time, I'm gonna bypass that just because, like I said, there's a lot of videos out there that already have them. If you want me to in the future do swatches, let me know. I just figured you probably have seen them by now. And I did not intend to match the packaging with my nails. I actually wanted olive green and that didn't come out like that. So I think the packaging is really cute for Kristi. It's not my cup of tea. Like, I mean, I think it's cute. I just never would be like, go out to buy specifically something that was packaged like this. Fun fact, we actually share a birthday. Both of our birthdays are December 31st, which I thought was cool. Anyways, all right, so this is the palette. I'm sure you've all seen it, but we'll show it again. This is the colors. I think they're really pretty. So I like this palette for like the winter fall season because you could really get an orange, like warm look. You could also get a green look. You can get like a dark bluey purple look. So I actually really like this. I'm feeling the green look. I've already prepped my eyes with concealer and powder. We're gonna go in with Fiddlehead, which is the olive shade. See, that's the color I wanted for my nails. So we're gonna go in with that shade as our beginning transition shade. So we're gonna put that in the crease and really buff it all out. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. I feel like that's what Kristi's known for, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna put this in the crease and then on the inner and outer V's. I can be your sugar when you're feeding for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. Oh my gosh. I saw a picture of somebody with this palette and they did like a cool green on the inner corner and then like the purpley shade on the outer. Oh, so pretty. This is actually a really pretty color and I feel like it's blending out really nicely as well. Right, I'm gonna take a little bit of Puffball, which is just this brown shade. Ooh, no. Let's do the other shade, Chantilly, whatever. That more mustardy shade. Sorry, I don't like mushrooms. I know she explained the like names and everything. I don't like mushrooms, so we don't really know any of the names of any of them. So I'm probably gonna butcher a lot of these names. Anyways, I'm just putting this on like the outer part of the crease to kind of blend it and buff it into my skin. So my next dilemma is I want to deepen this up, and obviously my first thought is to go in with the darker green shade. However, this is more of like a blue toned green, whereas olive-ish greens are more yellow. So I don't know if that's gonna throw this off. All right, we're gonna try just a little bit of the darker green, which is called Emerald City. But like I said, it is more of a blue toned green. We're gonna try a little bit of it and see if that messes it up at all. I just wanna deepen this a little. If that doesn't work, we're gonna use Homegrown, which is the brown. But the brown is more red toned, so we'll see. And we're just putting that in both V's and the crease, just to kind of give it more depth and dimension. It is making it pull more cool tone, but I think it'll be okay. We'll just go back over it with more of Fiddlehead. Couldn't remember the name. Just in case you are curious, that shade definitely has a lot more fallout in the palette. I'm not really seeing it on my face though. So for the lid shade, I think we should take one of the Super Shock shadows. And I feel like the one that goes the most is probably gonna be this one, which is like a moss, because it's more of the green color. So you have a copper one, which is called Campfire. Thank you for focusing. And then you have two others that are pretty similar. Okay, they're very similar. One is just more like a light pinky champagne, and the other one's more of like a, more on the gold side, but they're both still kind of like, I don't know. This one is Olympic, which is more of the pinky-ish tone, but they're both champagne. And this one is Mycelium. Let's see if we can, there we go. Can you see the difference? Maybe if I point them down. They're pretty similar, but they are different. So the one we're gonna use is Like a Moss. So this is Like a Moss. Okay, whatever. We're gonna use this shade with my finger. Ooh. And we're gonna put that in the center. Oh, that's pretty. It's got like a goldy greeny shift to it. Oh, that's pretty. They feel like butter. I've used the Super Shock that's the highlighter, but never actually a shadow. All right, I'm gonna go back in with the brush just to blend this all together. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face makeup, and then we'll come back and do the lower lash line. So I am done with my face, and there's even more and more noise happening because people are waking up and starting their car. So this was a really bad time to choose to film. I'm sorry, I will not do it again. But we're already here, so let's just continue. So I'm gonna take a mixture. Actually, I'm just gonna take Emerald City right along the waterline, and we're gonna line my waterline with that. Okay, now we're gonna take the, oh my gosh, I'm whited out. I'm gonna take the Fiddle Leaf, or Fiddlehead, and I'm gonna buff that along the waterline to buff out the Emerald City color. Okay, so these were the 3 shades of eyeliner that came with it. So you have a brown, a mustard, and a green. I can't decide if I should do the brown or the green. Let's just do the green, why not? What is this called? Spare Time? Ooh, it's mostly rubbed off. So we're gonna put this in my waterline. Wow, these are pigmented liners. I've actually never used their liners before. Pretty nice. Should I use, we're gonna use like the tiniest bit of that mustard shade and buff out the lower lash line just to have it match the upper. Let me do my brow real quick. Actually, I think I'm just gonna be basic because I'm running out of time. I'm just gonna put a brow gel in it. Dude, I got 10 minutes to finish, get dressed, and get out of here. I can do it, it's fine. Okay, for brow bone and inner corner, we're gonna use one of these Super Shock shadows. Which one though? I think I'm gonna go in with Olympic because it's the lighter of the two. So we're gonna use Olympic, and we're gonna put that on the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara real quick, just using the Marc Jacobs Lash mascara. All right, let's go in with the lip gloss now. So there's 2 lip glosses, one that is pigmented and the other one that is pretty much just sparkles. So I think the one that is sparkles is called Glacier. So this is the sparkly one. And then the other one is called Wildflower. So we're gonna go in with Wildflower. I should line my lips. I thought I had a little more color than this. It's pretty much just amplifying my natural lip color. So let's throw on a lip liner real quick. Okay, so this is the completed look. It was a hot mess because we are in the morning on a time crunch. People are doing laundry, people are opening the doors. It's loud. Anyways, I will not do this in the morning again. I feel like I need more eyebrow, but I have no time, so we're just gonna leave it as is. So, like I said, this is the completed look. I think everything worked really, really nice. The shadows blended really nicely. They are very pigmented. I've never used the Colourpop liners, and these work really nicely, and it's all super affordable. So if they do another round, which I think they are, I definitely recommend picking it up. Kristi comes off as an amazing person. I was gonna say she is, but I don't actually know her. So she comes off as a really nice, amazing person. So I definitely think supporting her is a good thing. Yeah, that is all I have for this video though. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.